Natural resources are the resources that occur naturally on earth. It is an indispensable part of our lives. Our Mother Nature has provided us with numerous gifts such as air, water, sunlight, coal, petroleum, natural gas, fossil fuels, oil, etc. All these gifts of nature make our earth a place worth living. Existence on earth would not be imaginable without natural resources present on earth. However, humans have exploited these resources for their own economic gains. Overusage of the natural resources has caused a huge impending threat to the existence of the human race. Conservation of nature is the care and protection of these resources so that they can persist for future generations and they continue to be available in abundance. The usage of natural resources has been necessary for the evolution of mankind, but his progress and development has led to exploitation of these resources. This demands a responsible behavior of conserving the resources to ensure sustainability. Water is the most important and valuable natural resource on earth. It sustains all life. We use water for drinking, generating electricity, in agriculture, for irrigation of crops, in many industries and manufacturing processes. Scarcity of water would cause loss of vegetation and to all plant life and soil erosion. Forests determine natural vegetation to mankind. It is the major natural resource that helps in economic development. Their use in fuel, timber and industrial raw materials cannot be undermined. Moreover, forests help in the control of soil erosion and control floods. Fossil fuel is the most important natural commodity for everyday activities. If we do not use these resources judiciously, then it can create imbalance in the environment. Global warming, floods, climate change, famine and drought are some of the consequences we will have to face in the future. So conservation of the resources has become the need of the hour. How to conserve nature and its resource? Many of the natural resources are being used at a faster rate as compared to their speed of production. There is a necessity for conservation of nature and the resources it offers. Here are some of the ways in which these resources can be conserved. Reduce water consumption, reduce usage of electricity, restrict usage of paper, use newer agricultural methods, spread awareness. Nature comprises everything that surrounds us. Keeping nature and its resources is integral. If we continue to use our natural resources at the same rate we are using them currently, we wouldn't be left with much of them in the future. It will create a problem for the future generations. We must use the natural resources cautiously so that our future generations do not suffer. It would be difficult to imagine life on earth which has a spoiled natural environment. Therefore, taking an appropriate steps to conserve nature in its untouched form. It must be priority for the human race. Only human beings with their power and ability can save nature in its purest forms.